In a multi-scale mixed reality remote collaboration, or MSMRC, the VR user has an ability to scale themselves up into a giant or down into a miniature for different perspectives and interaction at that scale. In this research, we propose a flying telepresence interface for MSMRC, such that the telepresence user's movement is mapped to the drone. We propose that the user's avatar scales proportionally to the user's eye height. We conducted 3 spatial perception experiments. The first experiment compared 2 interfaces, static IPD and dynamic IPD, on simulator thickness and body size perception. For dynamic IPD condition or giant mode, the body including IPD scales with the giant. For static IPD condition or Superman mode, the body and IPD remains constant. However, the movement gain is proportional to eye height in both cases. The second experiment tested the user perception of a virtual object size for 3 levels of manipulation of IPDs and movement gains. In the training phase, the participants were given virtual hands to comprehend the relative size of a sphere to their virtual body. There was no self-avatar in the actual trials. This was a condition without a virtual environment. The last experiment investigated the participants' body size perception for 2 levels of manipulation of IPDs and heights, using stereo video footage to simulate flying telepresence experience. This was from an indoor scene at normal seated eye height with double IPD. This was captured at a double seated eye height with double IPD. For an outdoor scene, we used a drone to capture the stereo video. This was captured at a normal standing eye height with normal IPD. This was captured at a double standing eye height with normal IPD. For the results, please refer to our paper. Thank you for watching.